The Goodwill Bins is going to be closing soon, but let's go in and make a quick round and see what we can find. What is this? Oh my gosh, y'all. These are cabinet pulls. There's this pretty creamy white and brass, and it's so patinaed. There's a whole box of them. I'm definitely getting all of these. Oh, this is one of those clocks. I know it has a name, but when I find them, it's the giant ones. I like this one because it's smaller and you can easily just put it on a shelf. If it doesn't work, you can always replace that part. Ooh, here's some bingo cards. I love these for staging. And look at this book, a blue Bible. Don't come across those often. Gonna get the bingo cards and the Bible. Here's another Bible. I will add that to the cart. Peter Rabbit and Friends. Let's see. Oh my gosh, look how pretty the pages and the illustrations are. You could definitely leave it as is, or you could take some of these images and turn it to artwork. I'm definitely gonna get this book. What is this cute little piece? It has a spot for a spoon. Florals, love the shape of it. Made in Taiwan. It's really cute. I'm gonna get this piece. Here's some canvases. Kind of thin. This one's thick though, and I like the size. You could do it this way or that way. I think I'm gonna get this for a DIY. Oh, what is this? A little house. I think that's to hold a picture, and this is to hold some floral. I don't love the colors, but we can fix that. Y'all, look how cute this little basket is right here. I just need to find some eggs to put in it. That'll be adorable for Easter. Here is a brand new North Face jacket, tag still on it. I know how expensive these are because I've bought one before for my daughter, but it has this veterinary logo on it. But I was thinking I could cover it up with a, my kid's name or something. Oh, I think I'm gonna get it. It's gonna be like $1 or $2, and I'll see if any of my kids want it. And just on Etsy, you can order a logo. I've actually had one made already, and then you just put it right over that. I know exactly what this is because my daughter Ryan loves these. They're little weighted stuffed animals, and I'm pretty positive this one's from Pillow Fort. Yep, it is. I'm gonna bring this one home to her, and she's gonna be so excited, but she may have to fight Ren for it because it is a pink unicorn. Here is a bright pink plastic bunny. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Look at this guy. It's the little dude from Trolls, and he has an Easter basket full of goodies. That is so cute and was probably expensive at the store. I'm gonna put him up there so somebody else can see him and rescue him. Look what I just found in this bin. It is a beautiful music box. Can y'all hear it playing? Look at the precious little rabbit. Now, it has some pieces missing, but they're right here. We have this little girl. Oh no, she's missing an arm. I'm gonna have to look through and see if I can find her arm. And a little cradle with a little baby. How adorable is that? So those will be easy just to glue right back in where they go. So I'm definitely picking this up. Y'all, is this a Pendleton blanket? Oh my gosh, it's huge. Okay, I gotta take it out and look for a logo. It's definitely an older blanket. Okay, not Pendleton, it's a Hudson Bay Company 100% wool, and I Google Lens this, and y'all, these blankets are selling for a lot of money. It is going to be expensive to purchase it at the bins because it's very heavy and it's paid by the pound for blankets, but I'm getting it. Look at these plates. Oh my gosh, they match the platters that I love. There's 3 of them. No markings, neither do the little trays that I get, but I love these. This one does have a chip at the bottom, but you just put it that way and put something in front of it. This one's different. It does have a stamp though. USA Piccadilly, I think it says. Yep, Piccadilly. Oh, y'all, these are exciting. I didn't know they made plates like this. I've only ever found the oval trays. Okay, I don't know how this happened, but all of a sudden my cart just got super full. Look at all this stuff we got from the Goodwill Bins today. Do y'all see what I see? A cute chair, but also look at the quilts in that cart. I'm having cart envy right now. Oh my gosh, those are beautiful. Well, today ended up being a pretty good afternoon at the Goodwill Bins, especially since they're about to close, and I just decided to run in here. So we have some beautiful items, and then we also got some items that we can DIY, and I actually found some stuff for myself. This thing for Ryan, some clothing, a life vest. So it was a really good day, and we cannot forget about this amazing wool blanket right here. So I will put a total on the screen of what I spent. Oh yeah, do y'all remember that stuff down there? So much good stuff. And I did get a few little doilies because I actually like to use them for staging, just like this, just stick them in baskets, and my stash was getting pretty low. So I will put a total on the screen of what I spent on this cart full of stuff. Y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all in my next thrifting adventure. I'm standing in line to check out, and Waylon just texted me back. He wants the North Face jacket. So I went back to where I left it, because if my kids say they don't want it, I leave it here. And it was still there. So I got that for him, and we'll do a cute little Waylon logo right there to cover it up.